Hello everyone and welcome to class of Amazon Glacier. So today we are going to discuss about various operations in Amazon Glacier. So these are the supported operations in Amazon Glacier. First of all, we have vault operation. Now what is a vault? A vault description, that means it provides us information like when it is created, like creation date, number of archives in a vault, total size in bytes, and also the date Amazon Glacier generated this inventory. So Amazon Glacier provides operations so that we can create and we can delete our vaults. We have next operations as archive operations. Now Amazon Glacier provides various operations so that we can upload and delete various archives. We can update an existing archive. This is must to delete the existing archive and upload a new archive. Then we have next operation, which are jobs. That means whenever we require to retrieve an archive or we want to retrieve and vault inventory from Amazon Glacier, so we require to perform job because it is a asynchronous operations. So we require that first we require to initiate a job, then we require wait so that job will be completed, and after that we can download the job output. If we see the Amazon Glacier data model, so how we can access? For accessing Amazon Glacier, we need to provide our credentials, and these libraries can take care of our authentication and request sign-in. Like we can create a vault in a specific AWS region. We can send Amazon Glacier request to a region specific endpoint. We can simply application development by using AWS SDKs, and then we can wrap the Amazon Glacier REST API calls. That means Amazon Glacier is a completely RESTful web service which has HTTP and HTTPS as a transport, and we have JSON as a message serialization format it supports. When using REST API interface or directly, we have to write the necessary code so that we can sign in and we can authenticate our request. How do we get started with Amazon Glacier? So getting started with Amazon Glacier, we have to begin with Amazon Glacier. We require to create a vault in Amazon Glacier. So sign in with AWS account, then we require to download SDKs. A vault is basically a container in which we can store our archives. So we require to create a vault very first. So this is how we can get started with Amazon Glacier. Next we have some features. So let's discuss about its Amazon Glacier key features. So we have data retrieval features. We have AWS Snowball and Direct Connect integration. We have vault lock, access control, tagging support, audit logs, vault access policies, vault inventory, and integrity lifecycle management with Amazon S3. Now basically an archive can be any data such as a photo, video, or document. We can store an unlimited amount of archives and an unlimited amount of data in Amazon Glacier. Each archive is assigned with a unique archive ID at the time of creation. That means whenever we create an archive, so we are assigned with a unique ID which is known as archive ID. And the content of archive is immutable, meaning that after an archive is created, it cannot be updated. We can set policies for each vault to grant or deny specific activities to users. Under a single AWS account, we can have up to 1000 vaults. That means a single account can support up to 1000 vaults. So let's discuss about archives and vaults. An archive can be any data, as we had discussed, that it could be photo or video. So archive is stored in Amazon Glacier in the form of archives. We have stored data. So we can upload a single file, or we can archive multiple files with a large 40 terabytes. It could be tar or zip file. Vaults are the containers to store archives. So we can view a list of vaults in AWS Management Console and use SDKs to perform variety of operation, like we require to create a vault, we require to delete vault, lock vault, or metadata, any functions we can see here. So as we had discussed that these are the Amazon Glacier key features. So we will discuss its key feature in detail in our next class. Thank you so much.